What's up, everyone? Welcome back to Top 5 Tray, the channel where we cut through the hype and get straight to the tech that actually performs. And today, we've got a gaming laptop that doesn't just meet the mark, it straight up raises the bar. If you've been waiting for something that can handle top-tier gaming, high-end creative work, and heavy multitasking, this is the machine to keep your eyes on. This is the HP Omen 16, a 16.1-inch gaming laptop that brings together an ultra-powerful Intel 16-core CPU, a beastly RTX 4060 GPU, 64 gigs of RAM, and a full 1 terabyte SSD, all inside a clean, modern chassis with a 144Hz display, RGB backlit keyboard, Thunderbolt, fast charging, and even a privacy camera. It's built to dominate games, chew through content creation, and handle any workflow you can throw at it. Whether you're a hardcore gamer, a 3D designer, a streamer, or just someone who wants zero compromises, this rig is locked, loaded, and ready. Remember, the product featured in this video will be linked in the description below, so be sure to scroll down and check it out. Hit that like button if you're into clean performance breakdowns, subscribe for more no BS tech content, and let's get right into why the HP Omen 16 might just be the baddest laptop in its class. Let's start with the look and feel, and right away, it screams premium. The laptop is finished in silver, with that iconic Omen design that's sleek, sharp, and aggressive without being flashy. It looks pro on a desk, fierce in a gaming setup, and clean enough to bring into a boardroom. You've got a full-size RGB backlit keyboard that feels great to type and game on. The key travel is responsive, the layout is smart, and you've got full per-key lighting control so you can dial in your vibe, whether that's full rainbow mode or chill single-color stealth. It's got that nice blend of function and flair, exactly what you want in a modern gaming rig. The screen, absolute chef's kiss. You're working with a 16.1-inch Full HD IPS panel running at 144 Hz, and the difference it makes is instant. Whether you're flying through Valorant matches, cutting through timelines in Premiere, or just scrolling through your browser, the display is smooth, vibrant, and sharp. 144 Hz means gameplay is super fluid with less motion blur, and IPS means colors stay consistent whether you're viewing head-on or from an angle. It's great for gaming, but honestly just as good for creators who want that real estate for editing and color accuracy. Now let's talk about the power, and this is where the Omen 16 goes from good to elite. This thing is running an Intel Core i7-1400-6500HX, a 16-core monster that stacks up right behind the i9-13900HX. It's got the performance cores for raw speed and the efficiency cores for smart power management. So whether you're compiling code, exporting video, running simulations, or just hammering through a gaming session, it keeps up with zero lag. Pair that with the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4060, and now you're talking full-on gaming and creator potential. You've got real-time ray tracing, DLSS3 support, and all the power you need to max out titles like Call of Duty, Hogwarts Legacy, or Baldur's Gate 3. The RTX 4060 is no joke, and thanks to the Ada Lovelace architecture, it also accelerates your creative apps. We're talking smoother 4K editing, faster rendering, and serious AI power in apps like Resolve, Blender, and Adobe's full suite. It's the kind of performance that lets you go from gaming to content creation without skipping a beat. But here's the wild part. This machine comes with 64 gigabytes of RAM. Yeah, you heard that right. Not 8, not 16, not even 32, but a full 64 gigs of DDR5 memory. And that just opens up your workflow completely. You can run virtual machines, multitask with heavy apps, keep 100 browser tabs open, and still edit raw 4K footage in real time. You don't need to worry about background apps, RAM limits, or freezing up mid-session. It's smooth, it's snappy, and it's built to scale with whatever you throw at it. And when it comes to storage, you're getting a 1 terabyte SSD. Plenty of room for your game library, your creative files, your media, and more. It's a fast PCIe drive too, so you're getting blazing boot times, quick app launches, and minimal load times in your games. No spinning drives, no bottlenecks, just raw, high-speed storage, ready to work. Battery-wise, this laptop supports fast charging, which means when you're on the go and running low, you can top up quickly and keep moving. That's a clutch feature if you're bouncing between classes, shoots, or meetings, and don't want to stay tethered to a wall all day. You're also getting Thunderbolt support, which is a huge win for creators. Whether you're transferring massive files, plugging into a 4K monitor, or connecting external GPUs or drives, Thunderbolt gives you high-speed, low-latency bandwidth to supercharge your setup. It basically turns your laptop into a mobile desktop. Let's not forget about privacy and daily usability. There's a full HD webcam with a privacy shutter, so whether you're on Zoom calls, streaming live, or just hopping into a quick meeting, you've got clean image quality and the peace of mind knowing you can physically block the lens when you're done. Combine that with Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and the full I/O layout, and this thing is totally ready for whatever your workflow demands. It all runs on Windows 11, giving you a modern OS experience with gaming features like Auto HDR and direct storage, plus productivity tools like Snap Layouts, integrated teams, and improved window management. It's polished, it's optimized, and it feels just right on a machine of this level. So who is this laptop really for? If you're a competitive gamer who wants top-end frame rates, you're covered. If you're a content creator who needs RAM and GPU power for editing, rendering, or animation, this rig laughs at bottlenecks. If you're a developer, an engineer, or someone running simulations or VMs, you've got the power and memory to handle serious tasks with ease. Or maybe you're just a power user who's sick of compromises. This machine doesn't hold back. Let's run it back. 16.1-inch Full HD IPS display at 144 Hz. Intel Core i7 14650HX processor. NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4060 graphics. 64 gigs of RAM. 1 TB SSD. Thunderbolt. Fast charging. RGB backlit keyboard. Privacy camera. And Windows 11. It's a complete package. A laptop that doesn't cut corners and doesn't flinch under pressure. Bottom line, the HP Omen 16 is built for serious users. Whether you're gaming, creating, editing, streaming, or multitasking like a beast, this is a rig that keeps up. It's powerful, polished, and ready to go straight out of the box. Drop a comment and let me know, what would you throw at this machine first? A render? A raid? A full creative workflow? Smash that like button, subscribe to Top 5 Tray, and stick around. We've got more no-nonsense tech reviews dropping every week. Until next time, stay sharp, stay efficient, and peace out.